It is our automatic air conditioner insulation copper tube making machine. The product is used for connecting pipe of external unit of air conditioner. Machine equipped with copper tube, automatic straightener and cutter system. The copper tube will be automatic feed into insulation tube. Both double tube and single tube can be produced in the same machine. The insulation copper tube length can be adjustable from 2 meters to 50 meters as per request. Machine is at high working efficiency. The feeding speed is from 30 meters to 50 meters per minute.